Tonight, the City of Medford is considering an effort that many hope will help with the homelessness crisis in our area. The conversation was pushed forward when Governor Kate Brown signed House Bill 5042 this spring. It made the City of Medford a recipient of funding for a navigation center. Medford City Manager Brian Shotun joins us now. Part of the city effort to try and help with these community partners. How do you define what a navigation center is, Mr. Shotun, and how does that help the homeless community?
Well, it would help a great deal in being able to provide a one-stop shop for those that are experiencing homelessness, to be able to get the necessary medical assessment along with a temporary place for those individuals to stay, and then be located at one of several of the housing or transitional housing opportunities that are offered by our nonprofit partners.
I was going to say, this is not going to be a city program. You're facilitating something that would evolve over time?
Yeah, the city does not offer these programs. We do not have the expertise nor the staffing to offer these programs. We rely on our community partners such as Access, Rogue Retreat, Maslow, St. Vincent de Paul, just to name a few, to provide these services. Our role as the City of Medford was to advocate for the funding that 5 other cities in the state are receiving through this bill, that we would then acquire and renovate the property and then turn the property over to a lead agency such as Access to run the actual operations of the navigation center.
When you're looking into the future, this sounds like a great program to help those that are currently experiencing homelessness. But what about the future and the growing numbers of people who are also perhaps going to be adding to the number of people that you'll have to serve through this center and the campground and some of the other services already in existence?
Well, we're looking at helping Rogue Retreat expand the size of the urban campground. I think once the navigation center is in place, when you look at everything that the City of Medford has done over the last 4 or 5 years, again, in partnership with our great nonprofits, that is what we feel in accordance with our homeless system action plan is our appropriate response to the issue that we have right now. We need a tremendous amount of help from both the state and the federal government to provide ongoing funding for quality mental health and addictions recovery services. We do not have the ability to be able to do that.
Be sure to stay with Newswatch 12. We'll be continuing the conversation with Brian Shotun tonight at 6. It'll be one of our meeting to provide the latest update on tonight Newswatch 12 at 11 o'clock as well.